The random Korean language, culture, and K-drama fact. So there's this K-drama called Sisyphus on Netflix, and if you analyze the main character's name, you can sort of tell what the drama is going to be, and also you could see a glimpse of Korean's obsession behind this brand. The main character's name is Han Tae-sul. Tae-sul is his first name, and then we attach the A at the end of his name, so it becomes Tae-sul-a. But nobody's going to separate each syllable and say like that. So in Korean, we have this thing called rule of resyllabification, or in Korean, 여는 법칙. You can look that up on Google. Or if you like detailed explanation on each pronunciation of the Korean alphabet, you can check out my flashcards. But at any rate, this rule just means the final consonant will move to the next syllable if the next syllable is the pure vowel sound. And in the name of A is a pure vowel, right? So the L position at the bottom shifts to that A position, and then it becomes 태수라, 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 태수라. A lot easier to say than 태수라. And this name was made in reference to Nikola Tesla, the scientist, and then his best friend in the drama was named Eddie Kim. That was in reference to Thomas Edison, and it was done to depict the rivalry between the two. And I honestly think they all made these changes to show Koreans' obsession of the car brand Tesla. So like and follow for more Korean language, culture, and K-drama